With Launch Smart Clean, auto repair problems are easily solved. Today, I will show you how to remotely activate and use the reversing camera after installing it on a Ferrari 458. At this point, the customer has already installed a rear view camera, but there is no reversing camera image on the instrument panel when shifting to reverse gear. Now, we can remotely activate it from then using Smart Clean C, and then the image will appear. Now, use Smart Clean B to connect the customer's Smart Clean C. Once connected, we proceed with the remote activation. First, select the Ferrari model. Select 458, and then set the BCM, body control module. Set the configuration function in the BCM, where you will find the Add Rear View Camera option. Now, click this function and click Start. It will automatically complete the addition. After the function is activated, turn off the ignition for 10 seconds and then turn it on again. Ask the customer to shift to reverse gear for a test drive, and the reversing camera image will appear this time. Choose Launch Smart Clean, trusted by 110,000 repair shops with tens of thousands of experts provides remote assistance to solve auto repair problems. It breaks geographical restrictions. With an internet connection, all auto repair problems can be easily solved.